in the market for a laptop stand, I'll have a pretty good one here, not very expensive whatsoever, made of aluminum, heavy quality, nice angle, easy to put together, super nice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here it is here. This is the actual stand put together. It's just really nice. This will hold up to from an 11-inch computer, basically right up to about the 18-inch computer. It holds everything. Let's get into the unboxing and review.
3 pieces. It's very simple design, but it gives you just enough to give you some comfort. So 3 pieces, and it's all like aluminum. I think actually it feels like aluminum, and it's really nicely built. So here's one piece here. This is the back bar, and that's easy enough. And these are the 2 side bars here. So these are ready. So you can see here. Here's one. Here's the other one here. So just enough. You can see here. It just gives it just enough angle, and you can see here they have the no slip on the front here, which is nice, and also on the back so it doesn't scratch your furniture. So that's a nice feature. And also the bar also has the no slip and rubber pads. Again, does not scratch furniture. And what I like about this one here, I'll leave a link down below so you can pick up yours, is that it comes with 2 sets of screws in case you lose one or break one. So 2 sets of screws and 2 sets of Allen wrenches. So that was a really awesome feature as well. So props to them, including extra sets, because you never know if you break one or something happens, you lose it. The screws are small. So let's just put this together real quick. And this is just a quick review. So these are really simple to do. You just basically take the back of the leg, the foot here. Okay, so this is the front with the computer sits on. This is the back. You basically just attach it to the back, and it's very simple. You can't mess it up. You can see here. Let me show you. Right. So what you want to do is when you do it, you want the screws to be in the back of them so you don't see them. Okay, so this goes in the back like this here. And then you take your 2 screws and you just put them in real easy. And they're small screws, so just take your time and just pop them in like that. Super simple. Gives you a little Allen wrench. And I always like to tend to do things, just snug them first, get them started, and then tighten it down at one time. That way they're evenly pressure in the thread. That way there's no torquing or nothing will break. Make sure things are flat and even. And like I said, this is a really nice kit. I'll leave a link down below. I was looking at some different ones, and the other ones just seemed too big, and I don't know. I just really wasn't happy with them. But this one here seemed to do its job, and you can see in the beginning of the video I had it all laid out, and it really works well. But I wanted to just show you, just give you what I thought. So here's one piece here, so you can see. So you get the idea now, right? So that's that. And let's get the second one on. Again, same thing. You get your 2 screws. And if you have any questions or comments, leave down below. I'd be glad to answer them. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. It does help me out, so I can do these types of unboxings and reviews and just show you what's new and what I think works well. And the second screw. Really super simple. As you can see, the computer sits on here. It has the rubber feet in the bottom, so you can see here. And this is get this out of the way. And I will show you. So there it is right there. So I use this for my MacBook Pro. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro, so you can see here. So it actually fits really well. It's very stable. It works perfect. I'll give you a side view so you can see here. You can see how it sits. It just gives it just enough of an angle just to get it up there. And I'll give you a side shot of that as well. And that's it. And that's pretty much simple as that. So you can see how the sides show up. So it just gives just enough of a pitch. That way you have your wrist just not being bent, and it works really well. So here's the angle here that you can see. It sits beautifully. Here's the back view so you can see that. So the screws from the back, you never see the screws. And that's it. Okay guys, I just wanted to do an unboxing, quick review on this awesome stand for your either MacBook or any computer. It holds pretty much any size. There's no limits at all whatsoever. All right, I appreciate it as always. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next review.